Next VSEQ is integral of 1 by 1 plus 4x square dx. Okay, these VSEQs are not important for IP exams, but this concept is very important for LAQ. LAQ middle lo మనం ఈ concepts యూజ్ చేస్తాం. చాలా important. Listen here carefully. Okay, that implies integral of 1 by 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 square plus 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. 2x whole square whole dx. Okay, 1 can be written as 1 square. 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. Okay, now this is in the form of integral of 1 by integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx. A square plus x square dx. In place of a here we have 1, in place of x here we have 2x. Okay, a square plus x square. You know that formula. This is the actually without root. Without root means first set, second formula. A square plus x square. A square plus x square is second formula. This is without root we have. So first set, second formula. First set, second formula is, what is the first set for second formula? 1 by a into tan inverse x by 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. We are applying this formula for this problem. Okay, integral of 1 by a square plus x square dx is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ నేను ఎలా అనేది మనం బిఫోర్ వీడియోలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసాము, అది చూడండి ఏమైనా డౌట్ అనిపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ here a is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2x. Here a equal to 1 and x is equal to 2x. Apply this formula. That implies 1 by a is 1 into tan inverse x by a. X is 2x by a is equal to 1. But listen here carefully. In place of x here we have 2x. In place of x here we have 2x. Suppose we have x, take it as is directly. But in place of x here we have 2x. So we take the inner differentiation of x. Differentiation of 2x is 2 into differentiation of x is 1 only. So I am writing 2. This is what is the 2 here? Differentiation of the 2x. In place of x, suppose we have x here, x is we have take it as is directly. But in place of x here we have 2x. So we take the inner differentiation. Inner differentiation of 2x is 2, that can be written in the denominator. But in the differentiation we are writing the multiplication form. This is the integration. So we are writing the division form. 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2x. This implies 1 by 2 into tan inverse 2x plus c. After the integration we are adding integral constant. Same as these problems. This is the second problem. Integral of 1 by root over 4 minus 9x square dx. This can be written as 1 by root over 4 can be written as 2 square. 4 can be written as 2 square minus 9 can be written as 3 square. That can be written as totally 3x whole square dx. This is with root in the denominator. Root in the denominator means a square minus x square. This can be taken as a. This is x. A square minus x square dx. This is a root in the denominator means second set. Second set first formula. Second set first formula. What is the formula? 1 by root over a square minus x square. This is in the form of a square minus x square dx. Root over 1 by a square minus x square dx. Formula is second set first formula. Second set first formula is sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a plus. Okay. Here in this problem we are applying this formula. This is in the form of root over a square minus x square. Here a is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3x. Apply this formula. That implies sin inverse x is 3x, a is 3x by 2. But here also in this problem, in place of x here we have 3x. So we take the inner differentiation of 3x. Inner differentiation of 3x is 3. Why? Because 3 into differentiation of x is 1. So that can be written in the denominator, 4 divided by 3. Why I am writing 3 here? This is the inner differentiation of 3x. 3x differentiation is 3. That can be written in the denominator. After the integration, we are adding integral constant plus c. After the integration, we are adding integral constants. That is, this can be written as 1 by 3 into sine inverse 3x by 2. 3x by 2 plus c is the answer for this problem. Next. Third problem. Integral root over 16 minus 25x square dx. This 16 can be written as root over 16 can be written as 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 square minus 25x square can be written as 5x whole square. 25 can be written as 5 square. 5 square into x square is 5x whole square dx. This is a square. This is in the form of root over a square minus x square. A square minus x square. A square minus x square means root in the numerator. Third set first formula. What is the third set first formula? Root over a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. We are applying this formula for this problem. This is in the form of root over a square minus x square. A is equal to, here a is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5x only. X is equal to 5x only. Apply this formula. X by 2. What is x? 5x by 2 into root over a square minus x square. A square is a is equal to 4. 4 square minus x square is x is equal to what? 5x. X is equal to what? 5x whole square plus a square by 2. A is equal to 4. That is 4 square by 2 into sine inverse. What is x? X is equal to 5x by a is equal to 4. Okay. After the integration, we are adding integral constant plus c. This implies 5x by 2. But one step is missing. In place of x here we have 5x. So we are writing the inner differentiation of 5x. That can be written in the denominator. Differentiation of 5x is 5. That totally divided by 5. What is 5 here? Inner differentiation of 5x. Differentiation of 5x is 5. Okay. Splitting. Take the splitting. That is 5x by 2 into 5x by 2 by 5 into root over 4 square is 16 minus 25x square. 16 minus 25x square plus 4 4s are 16 by 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 into sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c. Okay, 5 is cancelled. This can be written as x by 2 into root over 16 minus 25x square plus 2 8s are 2 5s are. This can be written as 8 by 5 sine inverse 5x by 4. Okay, plus after the integration we are adding integral constant plus c. What is 5 here? Here this 5 is inner differentiation of 5x. Inner differentiation of 5x is 5. That can be written in the denominator. In the integration we are writing divided by 5. But in the multiplication into 5. In the differentiation we are writing into 5. But in the integration we are writing divided by 5. After that take the splitting. 5 is the cancel. Remaining is x by 2 root over 16 minus 25x square plus 4 4s are 16 by 5 2s are 10. These two are multiplication. 5 2s are 10. Sine inverse 5x by 4 plus c is the answer for this problem. Okay.